Hello everyone, this is Rajkumar D, Assistant Professor from Department of Information Technology, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, and I welcome you all for this lecture in Middleware and Gateways. It is covered under the subject Introduction to Mobile Computing. So first, let us discuss about the introduction for this middleware and gateway. So in the context of mobile computing or in the context of networks, this middleware and gateway plays a very crucial role in ensuring a seamless communication between different devices connected to each other. At the same time, this middleware and gateway helps us to integrate different devices together, even though the different devices comes with a different formats, different nature, and different protocols. The middleware and gateways ensure that the functionality among and between these devices and systems works in a proper way. So this middleware and gateway is very important, and let's move on to discuss about what is middleware. So, what is middleware? A middleware is a software that acts as an intermediary layer between different software applications or between applications and the underlying hardware. So, like you all know that any hardware comes with a device. Suppose if you take a mobile phone, it comes with a mobile OS. Suppose if you take any router, again it comes with a certain applications inbuilt. So the role of the middleware is to make sure that it ensures a proper communication between different networking devices, even though they may belong to different nature or different architecture. It also facilitates communication between these devices, and it also manages data management in a different distributed application environment. So, in a mobile computing point of view, this middleware is very, very essential for communication. That is, this middleware enables different mobile applications and services to communicate with each other. It also handles message passing, data exchange, and it ensures interoperability among different disparate systems. It also helps us to integrate different mobile applications with different backend systems such as different databases. Even though it belongs to different enterprise systems, at the same time it also helps us to integrate with different cloud services. It also helps in service management where services like authentication, session management, transaction management is also properly done using this middleware. And in synchronization, it also helps us to synchronize with different platforms, even though it involved with different devices, different storages, and also it helps us to synchronize the data between different mobile devices and different cloud-based services also. It also helps us in API management where our middleware often engages with exposing with different application protocol interfaces that allows different mobile apps to communicate with each other. So next is gateways. So gateways are network devices or software systems that acts as an intermediaries between different networks or systems, which also helps us in facilitating the communication and data exchange. Like middleware helping with different devices, this gateway is also helping us to integrate with different devices, facilitating communication and data exchange. So in a mobile computing scenario, it helps in protocol translation. That is, different devices comes with a different nature and a different data formats, and they support different protocols. For example, there may be a situation where we need to work with HTTP between MQTT, so using an IoT device. So this is different protocols. So this gateways helps us in translating the protocol so that these two devices communicate with each other without any issues. Next one is network bridging. So there comes different types of networks, such as connecting a mobile network with a corporate network, or bridging a network with different Wi-Fi's. So whenever we want to incorporate with a different nature of networks, gateways helps us to do so. It also helps in data aggregation where the data from multiple sources, if we are using means it will help us to gather it in a central server or a cloud service, and it will help us to aggregate the data. Next one is service routing. So it also helps in routing protocols, ensuring that appropriate services or servers are in contact and makes and maximize the reliable data delivery. Next one is API gateway. So in a modern cloud architecture, this API gateway manages API requests from different mobile devices, and it also handles authentication, load balancing in a cloud service, and it also acts as a single entry point for all accessing backend services. So these gateways and middlewares, they help us to work so that there is no issues. So it also helps in ensuring that the mobile applications and all mobile services operate smoothly across different devices and networks. So by leveraging this middleware and gateways, this mobile computing systems can offer robust, scalable, and secure solutions that meets the need of modern users and applications. With this, we come to the end of this session. Let us meet in next session. Thank you.